Then there's another hadith which says 4 things are the signs of the hypocrite. And these things could be very detrimental, my brothers and sisters, when the soul is taken from our body if we have that kind of bad way of life. Because sadaqah, charity, kind, goodness, truth, speaking good, being honest, are all good things that make us have a peaceful death. The body dies peacefully, the soul lives peacefully. The 4th thing the Prophet ﷺ said, when he speaks, he lies. When you give him something to take care of, he sells it or he rents it or he doesn't have it when you come back after a month or something. 3rd, he makes a promise, he breaks it. 4th, when he quarrels, he's very insultive and abusive. Those are signs of a hypocrite, not a true believer. These are 4 qualities that it's hard to not find it in us. These are 4 qualities that are very difficult not to find in people nowadays. When he quarrels or she quarrels, they're very nasty, abusive, insultive. Those are not signs of someone with iman. So we all got to learn. We husbands, we wives, we businessmen, we neighbors, we brothers and sisters, learn not to have these 4 qualities. The Prophet ﷺ says it's nifaq, it's hypocrisy for a true Muslim and a true believer. So we all got to look into our amal and our actions and see that we don't have these qualities. These can bring the first trip of the soul leaving this body into problems.